Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duggan. Today we're going to walk through a Sea Ray 21 SPX. Starting here off the transom, we have a Mercury V6 200 in black. Gray sea deck throughout the boat. Starting here on the swim platform, going all the way up to the bow. We have the stone interior package with a bimini top, black canvas. Moving into the boat here. I got all the Sea Rays, plenty of seating underneath all the seats. And in deck, this seat will face forward, also face aft. Nice captain's chair. We have a new Simrad ultra wide helm unit, GPS, depth finder. Moving forward, great amount of seating here at the bow. Easy access to your anchor locker. Come check it out at MarineMax in Huntington, or give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.